Hello, my name is Ray. I'm an artist, and right now I'm going to show you how to illustrate nature in proportion. Now, what that means is basically like a still life, what you're looking at. You're looking at a nature scenario. So when I do scenarios, I like to draw it like on a particular canvas for you. So let's say our scenario takes place here. And what we're trying to do right here is just basically illustrate nature. So let's draw a natural setting in there. You want to start at the bottom with the grass. You want to draw a grassy ground. So the way you do that, there you go. Instead of drawing a straight line, you make it kind of wavy, kind of just to symbolize that it is grass. And after drawing your first baseline, you want to draw little blades of grass on the ground to just once again just illustrate that this is a grassy ground. Now on the grassy ground you might want to put a tree. So let's say from here we'll have an oak tree protruding from the ground. Okay. You want to draw out all the branches. Kind of add some lines to the tree, make it look old as it is. Okay. Now with that part of the tree done, you need the top tree, you need the foliage, the leaves. So what you do is you just illustrate it that way. Get rid of those lines in there. And once again, just draw within the foliage itself to add to it. Make it look like it's taking up space. Now, like over here, you might want something like the sun. Like you can draw the side of the sun coming out. You know, nothing big. This is nature we're illustrating here. And like maybe in the background behind the grass, maybe you want like mountains or something. So you can draw the mountains. Since they're off in the distance, you know, they're a little small. Okay, so you get the general idea. And you might want to add something smaller, like let's say birds flying, either by the tree, away from it, in the area. And for birds, what you're basically doing is drawing a bunch of little tiny V's or checks, which look like birds off in the distance. Okay, so there you have it. You have the grassy ground, you have the mountains, the trees, the sun, and the birds. And as you can see, this is a simple scene that illustrates nature in perspective.